Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Space ID. As in my previous videos, I've been showing you that Space ID has formed a very big falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart. And when it broke out that falling wedge pattern, then in this video, and by the way, this video I shared in the month of October 2023 with you, I was telling you that now there is a very high probability that the price line may start a very massive reversal to the upside. And at that time, the price line after breaking out that falling wedge pattern was stuck inside in another descending triangle. Let me to show you what I was telling you in my previous video. The way pattern is moving inside this triangle. Now, if we take a look at the targets, and in case of breaking out that, I'm expecting that it can break out this triangle very soon because we have already left a very long-term resistance of the previous falling wedge pattern. And then the target to the upside can be approximately at 30 cents. And the final target for this huge falling wedge pattern breakout can be here at the top of the wedge, where we have a lot of resistance as well. That is at $1. And now if we take a look at the live 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that finally we broke out this next descending triangle as well. And after that, the price line has started a very massive reversal. And so far, from this low to this high, you can see that it has rallied almost 976%. And when we were testing the support of this falling wedge pattern, then from this low to this high, it is rallied more than 1000%, almost 1087%. And during this rally, you can see that we have broken out so many significant resistance levels. But after this powerful rally, the price then got rejected by this resistance that we have recently found here at $1.80. And right now, you can see that Space ID is breaking down this quite long-term support that was previously breaking as a resistance here. And now it has broken down this support of $1. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Space ID that I shared on 13th of March 2024 with my members in the previous month of March. And that was a harmonic bullish reverse Gardley pattern that Space ID formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone. And this was the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 36% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Space ID. And this was a falling wedge pattern that I've been showing you in my previous videos. And you can see that from the month of April 2023 up till the month of September 2023, the price line has been moving inside this wedge. And after the breakout, when it was getting accumulated above the resistance of this wedge and it was moving inside this descending triangle, you can see that we found the support and resistance of this next descending triangle when it was moving inside this previous falling wedge pattern. We found the resistance here in the month of June 2023. And from the month of June up till the month of October 2023, you can see that the price line has been rejected by the resistance several times, and we found the support here in the month of August 2023. And you can see that it was testing the resistance more than the support. That was a quite clear signal that it can soon break out the triangle. And eventually you can see that after getting squeezed inside this triangle, finally we broke out the resistance. And after the breakout, you can see that the price line first broke out this very long-term resistance of 24 cents. And after the breakout, the price line has been retesting this previous resistance of 24 cents as a support for several weeks. And by the way, previously this level had been working as a support here and resistance here, and now it has been working as a support here. And after that, we also broke out this quite long-term resistance of EMA 21 as well. And you can see for several weeks or months, the price line has been accumulated above this support of EMA 21, the exponential moving average 21. And during this move, the price line has been several times rejected by the next resistance of 36.6 cents as well. And finally, we broke out the next resistance, and imminently we also broke out this resistance of 52.5 cents. And after the breakout, the price then retested the previous resistance of 52.5 cents as a support and geared up. By the way, previously this 52.5 cents has been working as a resistance here and as a resistance here as well. And the target I was telling you was here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $1. And you can see that now the price line has rallied beyond that target up to $1.84. And here we have found another very, very long-term resistance of $1.80. And after that, the price line is rejected by this resistance and dropped down. And recently we have broken down this support of $1. And now there is a probability that the price line may test the next support of 72 cents. And over there, we also have this quite long-term support of EMA 21 as well. Therefore, it will be really very difficult for the price line of Space ID to break down this support of 72 cents. Therefore, now we need to keep an eye on this next support. And we also need to keep an eye on this resistance, because in order to continue this rally to the upside, now we will also need to break out this resistance of $1. And after that, we will need to break out this resistance of $1.80. And once the price line will be able to break out this $1.80 resistance, then this previous resistance will be flipped into a strong support. And then this rally to the upside will be continued for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.